guys, welcome to Truptwellness. Today I am very happy because we are launching our first product and it took almost a year to research, but we are happy that everything fell in place and the kit is ready. This kit contains 19 products in it, so we are going to unbox this kit today. Obviously, this was not possible without the blessings of Lord Dhanvantari and the love of you all. So let's start the video by offering prayers to Lord Dhanvantari. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now let's start the unboxing. Oh, I can't hold my excitement to show you the box. And here we go. Wow! This looks so clean and beautiful. So these are authentic Ayurvedic products designed for your first 45 days of postpartum, that is Sutika Kal, and hence the name Sutika Arogyam. Now let's see the products one by one. So first we'll see these kadhas. So these are 3 kadhas, Balanta Kadha number 1, 2 and 3. Have a look at this bottle. Can you see the codes? These codes are written intentionally on each and every product. All the 19 products have different and unique codes which will give positivity and inspiration and hopes to a new mom, which is very important in postpartum phase. Also, these products or these bottle will light up that dark corner of medicines in the mother's room. So after the code, here we have placed the name of the product. These are the benefits. On the back side, you can see the ingredients, indication and directions to use. Also, along with this, we are providing a detailed user manual and a continuous support to all the patients who buy this kit. Now we have provided 3 kadhas, number 1, 2 and 3. The requirement of this is because all these are made with different ingredients and they have different actions in the body as per the need of mother's recovery stages. So the first kadha, Balant Kadha number 1, has to be used from day 1 to 10th day of your postpartum or after childbirth. Second from day 11 to day 20th and the third one from day 21st to day 30th. I will also post a separate video on Balant Kadha, its uses and how it helps the new mother as well as the baby. Next comes the 2 oils, my personal favorite products. The first one is the oil for massage of mother and the second one is the oil for massage of the baby. Yeah, so again the quote here, Mahanarayan Tel. So this has some special ingredients, Ayurvedic authentic drugs which take care of the vitiated Vat or the excess Vat dosha in mother's body, which has increased during the process of childbirth. So it's very important that we bring this Vata into the balance during the postpartum phase or first 6 weeks phase. Otherwise, it will create lot of issues in future, degenerative disorders like joint pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, headaches, rhinitis and lot more. The next is baby's oil. It's Bala Tel. Bala or Sida cardifolia is a very strong Ayurvedic herb which helps to strengthen the muscle of the baby. It also helps to improve sleep, massage time, promotes good bonding between the mother and baby, and it has lot of benefits. Obviously, we will do a separate video on this too. So these are the 2 products, Mukhwas and Pipali Mool Churna. These are specially designed to increase or ignite the digestive fire or Agni, which is very low during postpartum phase. And now comes the very important ingredient of this first box, that are Asti Poshak Laddus. Now these are the laddus. Let me show you one. So these are the laddus which are made with utmost love and care, just like your mom does for you. This contains all the essential nuts, seeds, and most important, gond or edible gum, which is very necessary to do Vat Shaman in the body, to reduce or balance the Vat in the body. So this is very yum, and there are 45 number of laddus for first 45 days. So this was the first box. There are 2 more boxes which we are going to see. Here comes our second box. So each kit will contain 3 boxes. Yes, so this is the second one, and this is the Mandala Art Therapy booklet. The uniqueness or speciality of this mandala booklet is you will get the simpler mandalas at start, and as you go further, the complexity of the mandalas increases. These mandalas are used for meditative purposes and also for healing. So we have included this to recover mental health or emotional health of a new mother. You'll get these colors to color the mandalas. Color psychology also says that different colors has impact on different sides of your brain. So it helps in healing. We have provided color pencils. You can use crayons as per your comfort, but the intention is to indulge yourself into the creative part of your personality. Next comes the affirmation cards. So these are the beautifully designed and vibrant colored affirmation cards. The uniqueness of these cards is these are 45 cards for 45 days. These cards are designed in such a way that your emotion on that particular day will match with this affirmation. For example, day 8. Me and my baby both will get better at breastfeeding every day. It takes time, patience, and practice. So this affirmation will motivate you to continue your hardest responsibility, that is breastfeeding. Next comes A2 Gir Cow Ghee. So ghee is very important for Vat Shaman during postpartum phase. Ayurveda suggests to eat 8 to 9 teaspoons of ghee every day with your medicines and diet during postpartum. Here you get 1 kg of A2 Gir Cow Ghee. It is made with Vedic process, that is Bilona method. Next comes Balyakalp. This is the hero ingredient of this complete postpartum kit because it includes such Ayurvedic herbs which take care of all your postpartum issues like low breast milk supply, mood swings, stress, anxiety, depression, bleeding during postpartum. It also helps for involution of uterus. It allows you to sleep better and bond better with your baby. So this is also one of my favorite products. Then comes this small little but yet powerful Shunthi Vati. So this takes care of your digestion, all your digestive issues like bloating, flatulence, appetite issues, and it helps to digest and assimilate the food better. So it contains 45 tablets or vatis for 45 days of postpartum. Now comes the Udvartan Churna. This is nothing but Ayurvedic Uptan made with heavenly drugs which keeps you fresh. It improves the tone and texture of your skin. Along with that, it nourishes your skin. So this has to be used instead of soap after Abhyanga during your bath. And don't forget to use hot water while you take a bath. So this is 250 grams. And lastly, these are 4 Dhupan Dravyas in second box. Dhupan Dravya number 2, number 4, number 1 and number 3. So these Dhupan Dravyas are essential for the Dhupan or medicated fumigation process, which take care of healing of the wounds, may it be episiotomy stitches or your C-section stitches. It also helps to disinfect the room in which mother and baby are kept. You can use this medicated fumigation for your clothes, utensils and all the stuffs which are used for new mother and baby. Now for this Dhupan, we need cow dung cakes to burn this Dhupan, and hence our third box contains cow dung cakes. And here comes the third and last box. So as I said, it contains cow dung cakes, Gomay Samit, and we provide 120 cow dung cakes in one box. So these are the cakes in biscuit shape. Now you need cow dung cakes only for fumigation or Dhupan process. It is suggested by Ayurveda, and as we are following Sutika Paricharya, so we have included all the ingredients which are recommended by Ayurveda. These cow dung cakes has the natural quality of disinfection. Along with this, you have to use the Dhupan Dravyas which I have showed in second box. So this is the complete Sutika Arogyam Ayurvedic care kit. It includes these 3 boxes and 19 ingredients which are enough to take care of your postpartum recovery both physically and mentally. Along with this, diet is also a very important part. We provide customized diet for postpartum phase. If you take this kit, you will get those diet charts at 20% discount. Also, the very important point to note is these practices can be done by both after C-section delivery as well as normal delivery. When to start, that details we have provided in the user manual. You can check in the box. If you want to order the box, below are the details. You can click on the link and check our website. You can order the box from there, or you can call us directly on the given number, or you can DM us on Instagram. I hope this video was useful. Please share the video with the needy ones in your community. This is the care which is lacking in the society, and it might help the mother to get more stronger and take care of their baby more efficiently. Let's meet in next episode. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you.